Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making celery juice. So we'll be going in with this three combo: ginger, cucumber, and celery leaves. Yeah, we're having celery here. So guys, I know we all know the health benefits of celery. Yes, celery reduces blood pressure, it lowers stress, and it also brightens your skin. So guys, this is a good one for you, especially to those who want to start a weight loss journey. I think this is going to be a good combo for you. So guys, I'm starting up now. I'm using a juice blender. Yes, I'm using a juice blender because it's going to make it more easier for me while the chaff is coming out in one side and the juice is also coming out in one side. But if you don't have a juice blender, you can also use your normal juice blender you use in blending your cooking stuff. Yeah, so but what you have to do is to add a little amount of water, then after then you can then sieve it. But with this juice blender, you don't have to add water. You're getting out all the nutrients that you need to get. All the nutrients is coming out. But when you add water, some people may say you're diluting it, but just add a little water so that you can be able to bring out something when you're taking it. So guys, this is how I make my celery juice. So guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share, and also turn on your notification button so when I post a new video you'll be notified. Celery juice is also rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and water, which can boost skin health and rejuvenation. And if you're wondering the amount of celery that I use in this video, I use 2 stalks of celery, 3 pieces of ginger, and 1 cucumber. For those of us who wants to start a weight loss journey, like I said earlier, this combo is very good for you because celery juice raises stomach acid, which help to break down food and in turn reduces stress level and also brighten your skin. So guys, our juice is ready. This juice is best taken in the morning with an empty stomach. Enjoy your freshly made celery juice. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.